Japan is a vibrant country blending modern skyscrapers with rich cultural heritage, temples and shrines. The streets, world-class restaurants share space with ancient castles and imperial palaces. It's a welcoming and endlessly interesting destination. Here's a look at the best places to visit in Japan. Number 10. Kanazawa. Between the Sea of Japan and the Japanese Alps, Kanazawa boasts a rich history and culture. Visit the centuries-old castle, samurai and geisha districts, and the beautiful Kenra-koen Garden. Number 9. Ishigaki. Japan's premier beach destination west of Okinawa. Enjoy beachcombing, diving, and vibrant nightlife after a day of exploring. Number 8. Hiroshima. Known for its history with the atomic bomb, Hiroshima has been rebuilt into a bustling modern city. Visit the Peace Memorial Park, A-Bomb Dome, and nearby Miyajima Shrine. Number 7. Kamakura. On the scenic shores of Sagami Bay, Kamakura is home to many landmarks and beautiful temples. Don't miss the Great Buddha of Kamakura, a 44-foot bronze statue. Number 6. Nikko. Just 2 hours north of Tokyo, Nikko is famous for its Shinto shrines, Buddhist temples, and beautiful mountain scenery. Explore sparkling waterfalls, lakes, and hot springs. Number 5. Takayama. Hidden in the northern Japanese Alps, Takayama is known for its Edo-era architecture and beautiful townscape along the Miyagawa River. Number 4. Hakone. Famous for its mountain scenery, hot springs, and art museums. Enjoy a boat ride on Lake Ashi with stunning views of Mount Fuji. Number 3. Nara. Birthplace of Japanese civilization, Nara is home to historic sites, Nara Park with tame deer, and the impressive Todaiji Temple with its great Buddha. Number 2. Kyoto. Renowned as Japan's most beautiful city, Kyoto is rich in historical sites, palaces, gardens, and the famous Gion district. It's magical during cherry blossom season. Number 1. Tokyo. Japan's futuristic capital is an exhilarating city with a blend of modern skyscrapers, cutting-edge technology, temples, and museums. Tokyo offers something for everyone. Japan offers a blend of the old and the new, tradition and innovation. From serene gardens to vibrant streets, each destination has its charm. Pack your bags and explore the land of the rising sun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next unforgettable journey today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content. See you on the next adventure.